Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Jaguar E PACE. First of all, we have to make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. From the home screen is that house there. Click home screen, tap to connect phone, or settings, the two cogs there, home settings, audio settings, all settings, connectivity, Bluetooth, pair phone or audio device, pair new device, pair new device. System now discoverable. It's come up here. We'll click on Jaguar E PACE. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Does it match that? Yes. It's connecting. Jaguar E PACE connected there. Barry's iPhone connected.